Welcome to this tutorial on S&P NetAdvantage. This tutorial will cover how to access S&P NetAdvantage, what kind of data is available, and how to do a search. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. S&P NetAdvantage is on this list. Standard & Poor's NetAdvantage, also known as S&P NetAdvantage, provides investment information and analysis on companies, industries, stocks and bonds, mutual funds, and dividends. This is the interface for S&P NetAdvantage. At the top of the page, you'll find a quick search where you can search by keyword. Below the search bar, you can navigate to different areas of the database where you can search company profiles and research reports, browse industries, or set up screenings. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll do a company search. First, hover over the Companies tab, then select Companies under Search Profiles. If you know the SIC or NAICS code for the company you're looking for, you can type that here. Otherwise, you can search by company name. You also have the option to search filings and annual reports, search for investment research, access screening and analysis, or build a chart using these buttons. We'll search for the company Apple. You can filter the results by type or by features using the filter icons. You can also select the eye symbol to the left of the company name to preview the report. If you know what you're looking for, you can go directly to that section of the report by selecting it from the drop-down menu here in the preview window. For example, if we're interested in key stats for Apple Incorporated, we'll select Key Stats, then click Go. Once the report is open, you'll be able to navigate to other sections of the report, such as income statement, credit ratings, and SEC filings, using the links to the left. You can use the buttons here to download the data into Excel files. Depending on the section of the report, you may have different download options. S&P NetAdvantage includes a chart builder function that makes it easy to compare company financials. For example, let's compare Samsung and Apple. To add a company, click on the Compare button, then search for the company or companies you want to compare. Search for Samsung, then click Add to add this company to our chart. You can see that the company Samsung has been added to the chart summary at the bottom of the page. You can add metrics and annotations at the top of the page, or change the range of data you'd like to view. To edit a series, click on the pencil icon and select Edit Series. This menu will allow you to change the frequency or currency, or change the look of the graph. To remove data, click on the trash icon next to the data or company you'd like to remove. For more options, right-click while hovering over the graph. From here, you can replace companies or metrics, add a new series, or download the graph as a JPEG or Excel file. If at any time you need more help using S&P NetAdvantage, click Help in the top right corner. Now you know how to access S&P NetAdvantage, what kind of data is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.